Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Schiller. Today I am going to create a sea beach. Beach is one of my favorite places to visit. I feel so refreshed to visit sea beach. Kids sea beach. Drawing very easy, and I draw step by step. So kids, you can draw with me. So let's draw together. This is coconut tree. Coconut tree is very long, and this tree is so beautiful. Kids, do you like coconut drinks? I love it so much. So kids, if you're enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel. Kids, I think beach is the best place on this planet where we can enjoy ourselves with our friends and family members. I love playing with the sand. Kids, do you love sea beach with your friends and family? Yes, I think you enjoying play sea beach. Wow, so many butterflies and so many colors. I love it. Kids, this is brown color. This is green color, and coconut is green color. Leaf always green color, so this is green color. Wow, sun rolling. So hot. This is yellow color. This is skin color. And this is pink color. This is so beautiful. Black color. Hair is black, so pretty. And this one is red color. This is paste color. Purple color. This is blue color. Blue is my favorite color. This one is green color. Pink color. Wow, I love it so much. Sun is rolling, and sun is yellow color. Brown color. Blue color. Do you enjoying my video? Please subscribe my channel.
Wow!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with
Wow,
me.
this is sand. I love playing with the sand and building sandcastle with my friends.
Start the alphabet again. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. The alphabet's so fun to do. R, S, T, U, V, W. X, Y, Z, now try it too. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. Now you know your ABCs. Sing with friends and family.